Hello kids, welcome back again in maths class. Today I am introduced about new chapter number 4, subtraction. Subtraction means finding the difference between two numbers. Subtraction means what? Subtraction means finding a difference between two numbers. Here minude. Minude means what? Number from which we subtract. Number from which we subtract. Subtrahend. Number which is subtrahend. Number which is subtrahend. Difference. Difference means what? Difference means we get answer. We get answer. It is called result or answer. Result or answer. Again one time repeated. Subtraction means finding the difference between two numbers. Subtraction means finding the difference between two numbers. Then minude. Minude means what? Number from which we subtract. Number from which we subtract. Subtrahend. Subtrahend means number which is subtrahend. Difference. Difference means result or answer. Difference means what? Results and answer. We get results and answers. Here again minude is equal to number from which we subtract. Subtrahend, number which is subtrahend. Difference. Difference means result or answer. Now next topic. Exercise number 4.1, question number 1. Solve and identify the minude, subtrahend and difference and write in the given table. Write in the given table. Here A and B. 54,487 minus 26,312. This one is minude, this one is subtrahend, and we find that answer is called difference. Now first we subtract both number. 54,487 minus 26,312. Okay, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 we get answer 5. 8 minus 1 7. 4 minus 3 1 and 4 minus 6 it is not possible. Take it borrow from other places. Here cut 5 and write 4. Cut here 4 and write here 14. Then 14 minus 6. Take it 6 finger. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. So we get answer here 8. And 4 minus 2. It's 2. So we get answer is 28,175. First we arrange both numbers in the table. Minude. Minude is what? 54,487. Subtrahend 26,312. And we get answer. It is called difference. Result 28,175. Now next one. 68,716 minus 32,405. Now subtract that both number. Minus 32,405. 6 minus 5. 1. 1 minus 0. 1. 7 minus 4. 3. 8 minus 2. 6 and 6 minus 3. 3. We get answer 36,311. Now both numbers arrange in table. So minude 68,716 subtrahend 32,405 and answer 36,311. Now next question. Subtract the numbers. Here thousands place, 10,000s place, thousands place, 100 place, tens place and 1 place. 76,532 minus 43,102. Here sums. Here given sums is without borrowing sum. So 2 minus 2. Here 0. 3 minus 0. 3. 5 minus 1. 4. 6 minus 3. 3 and 7 minus 4 here 3. So we get answer 33,430. Now next one. Here lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Read it. 9,86,352 minus 7,52,140. 2 minus 0 we get 2. 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 1 2. 6 minus 2 4. 8 minus 5 3 and 9 minus 7 2. We get answer 2,34,212. Now question number 3. Change two numbers and solve the answer in word. First this number name change into numbers. Then you subtract it. Again you get answer. This answer write in again in word. 35,735 minus 24,301. First here 35,735 minus 24,301. First we write in numbers. Now we subtract it. 35,735 minus 24,301. Now subtract. 5 minus 1 4. 3 minus 0 3. 7 minus 3 4. 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 2 1. We get answer 11,434. Write the numbers in number name. 11,434. B and C, it's your homework. Do it at your home. Now next exercise, exercise number 4.2, page number 38 to 42. Question number 1, subtract the following numbers. Subtract the following numbers. Here we take it borrowing. So 7 minus 5, 2. But 1 minus 2 it is not too possible. So we take borrow from 100 place. Cut here 3. First you write here 2. Then cut here 1. And here add 10. 10 plus 1 it's 11. 11 minus 2. Take it 2 finger. Before 11, 10 and 9. So 11 minus 2, 9. Again 2 minus 6. Again 2 minus 6. It is not too possible. So take it borrow from thousands place. Cut 2 and write here 1 and here 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. Take it 6 finger. Before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. So 12 minus 6. 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So we get answer 31,692. Another one. Thousands place, 10,000s place, thousands place, 100 place, tens place and ones place. Again 2 minus 4. But it is not too possible. Take borrow from tens place, but also here 0. So now we will taking borrow from 100 place. So cut here 7. Write 6. Who wants to first? Ones want to first. So give to first 10. So 10 plus 2, 12. And tens. Here 9. 12 minus 4. Take it before finger. Before 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Again 9 minus 5, 4. Again 6 minus 8. It is not too possible. Take it borrow from 1000 place. But here 0. So take it borrow from 10,000 place. Cut here 5. Write here 4. Cut here 0. Write here 9 and here 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. And 4 minus 1, 3. We get answer 36,848. Now, question number 2. Find the following difference. Find the following difference. Both are same. So, here 50,871 minus 23,692. 1 minus 2, it is not possible. Here cut, right here 6, cut here 1, here 11, 11 minus 2, 9, again 6 minus 9, it is not possible. Here cut here 8, right here 7, here 16. Now take it 9 finger. Before 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Then 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. 7 minus 6, 1. Again 0 minus 3, it is not possible. Cut here 5, right here 4, cut here 0, right here 10, 10 minus 3, 7, 4 minus 2, 2. We get answer 27,179. Now another one, 3,45,726 minus 1,80,313. 6 minus 3. We get answer 3. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 8, it is not possible. Cut here 3, right here 2 and cut here 4, right here 14. 14 minus 8, we get answer 6 and 2 minus 1, 1. Here difference is 1,65,430. Now another one, 5,54,132 minus 97,864. 2 minus 4. It's not possible. Cut here 3, right here 2. Here 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 2 minus 6. It is also not possible. Cut here 1. Right here 0, here 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Again 0 minus 8, not possible. Cut here 4, right here 3, here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 3 minus 7, it not possible. So cut here 5, right here 4, 13. Take it 7 finger. Before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Again 4 minus 9, it is not possible. Cut here 5, right here 4 and here 14. Take it 9 finger. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. And 4 down. We get answer 4,56,268. Now another one, 64,012 minus 35,794. 2 minus 4, not possible. Cut 1, 0 right there. Here cut 2, right here 2, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 0 minus 9, it is not possible. But here also 0. So take it, borrow from another number. Cut here 4, right here 3, 10 and here 9. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 5, it is not possible. Cut here 6, right here 5. 13. 13 minus 5. Take it 5 finger. Before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. And 5 minus 3, 2. We get answer 28,218. Now next question. Question number 3. Solve the following input and output problems. Subtract 10 and subtract 1000. So input and output. Input and output. Here look, subtract 10. Tens place here what? Here 7. Minus 1. So we get 7 minus 1, 6. It's make 24,966. Now 18,417. Here tens place 1 and that means 17. 17 minus 10. So 18,407. Now 38,527. Here 2. So 227 minus 10. So 38,517. Here 29, 2,91,013 minus 10. So 2,91,003. 1 minus 1, 0. So it's 3. Now subtract 1,000. Subtract 1,000. So thousands place here 9. 9 minus 1. So it makes 68,243. Here 5. 5 minus 1. So 4. So 44,197. 3,81,263 minus 1,000 is equal to 3,80,263. Here 5,04,182 minus 1,000 is equal to 5,03,182. Now exercise number 4.3, question number 1. Subtract and check your answer. Subtract and check your answer. Your answer is correct, yeah, incorrect. Here 1000, 10,000 place, thousands place, 100 place, 10 place and 1's place. 58,763 minus 24,531. First we subtract both number. 3 minus 1. 2. 6 minus 3. 3. 7 minus 5. 2. 8 minus 4. 4. And 5 minus 2. 3. Now check the answer. This answer is correct, yeah, incorrect. How to check it? This one is called minute, this one is called subtrahend and this one is called difference. So minute is equal to difference plus subtrahend. Difference plus subtrahend. So 34,232 plus 24,531. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 4, 8. And 3 plus 2. Here 5. Now check it. Both answer is same. 58,763 and 58,763. See, this one and this one both are same. This means this subtraction is correct. This one is correct. Now another one. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 8, it is not too possible. Take it borrow from 100 place. But here 0. So take it borrow from 10,000 place, thousands place. So here cut 2, right here 1. Who wants to first? Tens wants to first. So give to 10 first. 10 plus 6, 16. Then here 9. 16 minus 8. 8. 9 minus 9, 0. Again 1 minus 7, it is not too possible. Here cut, here write 7 and here 11. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7, what? 4. And 7 minus 4, 3. Now check it. This answer is correct, yeah, incorrect. So first we write difference. So difference is what? 34,081 plus subtrahend. Subtrahend means what? 47,983. Now add it to both number. 1 plus 3, 4. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry over 1. And 4 plus 4, 8. Now check it. Both Answer is same. Yes, both number is correct. So this subtraction is correct. Now question number 2. Find the difference and check your answer. Both are same. But look here again one time. 46,213 minus 24,030. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. And 4 minus 2, 2. Again check it. First we write difference 22,200 plus 24,013. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. And 2 plus 2, 4. Now check it. Yes, both answer is same. That means subtraction is correct. Now another one. 92,003 minus 794. Again 3 minus 4, it is not possible, but here 0, here also 0. Take it, borrow from thousands place. Cut here 2, write here 1, and here 13. Then 9. Then 9. 13 minus 4. Take it 4 finger before 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. 9 plus 9, 0. 9 plus 7, 2. 1 down and 9. Now check it answer. It is correct, yeah, incorrect. 91,209 plus 794. 9 plus 4, 13. Carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2 and 9 down. So yes, both answer is same. This subtraction is correct. Now next question. Find the missing digit. Find the missing digit. Here thousands, 10,000s place 5, here thousands place no digit, 100 place, tens place and ones place. Which digit miss here? We get answer 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. That means 6 minus 4, we get answer here 2. Again 3 minus 2, we get answer 1. That means 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus 2. So write here 2. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3. So 2. That means 5 minus 2. Here 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So here means 2. Another one. 1 minus which digit you get it? 0. 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Which digit minus with 6 you get it? 3 answer. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Again 2 plus 3, 5. That means 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4. Here 3. That means 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2. Here 6. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now another one. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. It is not too possible. Again here 0 minus, it is also not too possible. Cut here 4, write here 3. Cut here 0, 9 and 13. 13 minus 6. Here 7. 9 minus 1, 8. Again 3 minus 4. 3 minus blank. It is not too possible. Cut here 6, write here 5 and here 13. 13 minus 8. So 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5. And 5 minus 8, it is also not possible. Cut here 7, 6 and 15. 15 minus 8. Take it 8 finger. Before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Here 4 minus which digit you get it? 7. It is not too possible. Take it here, borrow. Here write 7 and here 14. 14 minus 7, that means 7. 14 minus 7 is equal to 14. 7. 7 minus 2, here 5. 0 minus 4, it is not too possible. Take it, borrow from other place. Cut here 5 and write here 4 and here 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 4 minus which digit we get here? 0. So 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Again 1 minus 6, it is not too possible. Here cut 9, write 8 and cut 1, 11. 11 minus 6, we get answer here 5. 8 minus 3, which digit? So you write here 5. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now exercise number 4.4, page number 47 to 49. Question 1. Solve the following estimation. Solve the following estimation. 47,213 minus 23,106. First you find round up to the nearest 100. Round up to the nearest 100. First we find round up to the nearest 100. So 47,213 round up nearest 100 is what? Here 100 place is 2 and 10 place here 1. 1 is less than 4. So you don't add 1 in 100 place. So it's make 47,000 only 200. Then another one 23,106. So 23,106 nearest 100. Here 1 and here 10's place is 0. So 23,000 only 100. Now subtract the both number. 47,200 minus 23,100. Here 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 3, 4 and 4 minus 2, here 2. So we get answer here 24,100. Another one 6,37,126 minus 4,28,623. First we find round up to the nearest 1,000. First we find round up to the nearest 1,000. So 6,37,126. Here thousands place is 7 and 100 place is 1. 1 is less than 5. That means we get answer what? 6,37,000 and 4,28,623. Here thousands place is 8 and 100 place is 6. 6 is more than 5. That means you add 1 in thousands place. It's make 4,29,000. 4,29,000. Now subtract the both number. 3,37,000 minus 4,29,000. Again 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 9, it is not too possible. Cut here 3, write here 2, here 70. Take it 9 finger. Before 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 6. 9 and 8. So we get answer here 8. 2 minus 2, 0 and 4 minus 6 minus 4, 2. So we get answer 2,08,000. Now next one, number story. word problem and number story. Question number 2. The population of town A was 5,46,300. After a few years, 2,75,150 people moved from town A to town B. What is the population of town A now? Here, what town A was? Population of town A was 4,46,300. After few years, 2,75,150 people moved from town A to town B. That means here what we do here? Subtraction. So what is the population of town A now? So look here all students. Population of town A. What is the population of town A? 5,46,300. Then number of people who moved to town B. Here 2,75,150. We do what we do here subtraction. So now we subtract the both number. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, it is not possible. So take it, borrow from other place. Cut here 3, write here 2. Cut here 0, write here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 7, it is not possible. Cut here 5, write here 4. Cut here 4, write here 14. 14 minus 7, 7. And 4 minus 2, 2. So, population of town A now 2,71,150. Now, next one. The sum of two numbers is 2,05,618. If one number is 96,750, what is the other number? What is the other number? One number is 2,05,618 and one number is 96,750. What is the other number? That means we do here subtraction. So sum of two number is 2,05,618. If one number, so one of the number is 96,715. What is other? That means subtraction. 8 minus 0, 8. Again 1 minus 5, it is not too possible. Cut here 6, write here 5. Cut here 1, write here 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 5 minus 7, it is also not possible. Cut here 5, write here 4, here 15. 15 minus 7. Take it 7 finger. Before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Again 4 minus 6, it is not too possible, but here 0. Take in borrow from other places. Cut here 2, write here 1, here 14, here 9. 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6, here 8. 9 minus 9, 0 and 1 down. So other number is 1,08,868. Now next one. What number is 36,851 less than 87,625? Hint. Here are hint given. Here the subtrahend and minute are given. Here subtrahend and minute are given. This one is a minute and this one is a subtrahend. We find here difference. So difference is equal to minute minus subtrahend. Minute is what? Minute is 87,625 minus 36,851. Now subtract the both number. 87,625 minus 36,851. 5 minus 1 here 4. 2 minus 5, it is not possible. Cut here 6, write here 5, here 12, 12 minus 5, here 7, again 5 minus 8, it is not possible. Cut here 7, write here 6, 15, 15 minus 8, 7, 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 3, here 5. So we get answer is 50,774. Now next question, question number 9. Solve the following sums. Solve the following sum. Here 36,129 plus 25,421 minus 22,970. First we add this both number, then you get it difference, then you get it answer minus this one. So 36,129 plus 25,421. 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1 here, 5. 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11. 1 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4, 5 and 6. So we get answer 61,550. Now 61,550 minus 22,970. Again 0 minus 0, 5 minus 7, it is not possible. Cut here 5, write here 4, here 15, 15 minus 7, 8, 4 minus 9, it is not possible. Cut here 1, 0, here 14. 14 minus 9, take it 9 finger before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Again 0 minus 2, it is not possible. Cut here 6, write here 5, here 10, 10 minus 2, 8, 5 minus 2, here 3. So we get difference here 38,580. All students do same as it is. Thank you.